In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix expired card on Google Play. Begin by opening up the Google Play Store, and you need to tap your profile picture up in the top right corner and go to Payments and Subscriptions and tap on Payment Method. Go ahead and find the expired card connected to your account and select it, and if your bank issued you a replacement card, you could just update the expiration date, the security code, and any other information that was changed. Now, if Google Play doesn't let you edit the card, go ahead and just remove the expired payment method and add a new card instead. To do that, you return to this exact same section, choose Add Credit or Debit Card from here, and just type in your new information, which most likely will be most of the same information, and save it. Also, make sure that your billing address and your zip code match the information that your bank has on file as well. But once your new card is added, return to the purchase and then of course select it as a payment method. And if the replacement card is still being declined, contact your bank to make sure online or Google Play transactions aren't being blocked. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.